Alright, GoG's got back to you again, and I just yawned. And our next video is, again, following the conditional statement unit before we reach our awesome quiz boss final fight at the end of this game here. And I would just like to acknowledge it's quite similar to the if and else. However, today we're going to combine them. And the question with this unit is, what do you do if you're checking if something is true or false? But rather than doing just one else statement saying, oh, if this works, do this, or else, we'll try this out. What if you wanted to have another if, check again, right? Well, let's go open up our htdocs, GOG PHP conditional statement, and I have else if file right here. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to type some code, get go with value equals 5, and if value equals 5, we're going to echo value is 5, and then we're going to do your else, and then you have echo value ain't 5. Alright, there you go, we know this works. Let's go take a look again. Refresh else if .php. There you go, value is 5. And now you can copy down this code and write this out again. We just did this in the else file though, so it's kind of pointless. But I just want to acknowledge that it is called the else if, no space between. However, in some programming language, it's actually else space if. So you'll get a big hit in the face from your programming teacher if you don't put a space. That's one of the things PHP dislikes being its own thing, its own entity. It does that sometimes with little things. However, in here, the else if works like this. You're going to do else if, and then you put another condition. It basically refrains you from having to do this. So you have if, and then inside you put another if. And you do value equals to 4. You could do that and say if the value is equal to 5, then check if the value is equal to 4. Well, firstly, that's stupid because if the value is equal to 5, it won't be 4. Just letting you know that right off the bat. But here, we'll try this. Else if value equals to 4, then we're going to echo this. Value is equal to 4. There you go. And we can also put one more just to show. Else if value, I like putting spaces. I don't know, I just like them. Else if value equals 3, we're going to do this. Echo value is 3. No, I'm quite sure this is just an example. There's so many better ways of echoing the value of something. You don't have to do an if statement. That's silly. Makes you look foolish. But just for demonstration, if you put a 4 here now, value is now 4. So say is value 5? Nope. Well, let's check if value is 4. Oh, look at that. Eureka, it is. The value is equal to 4. Changes your output. And if you change it to 3, just to make sure all of your code works and compiles, parses, value is 3. There you go. And like I said, you can also do your favorite friend, the else statement, where you can do echo not equal to any of the selected values. Save, open, click, refresh. Value 3. Oh yeah, I have to change the value. Durr. Make it 125. I like that. And we're going to check again. Not equal to any of the selected values. So there you go. You've just given PHP a number, and now it's actually, you're turning it into a brain. It's deciding on its own now. Well, technically you're helping, and there's a lot of backup stuff going on. But besides the point, it's making logical decisions on its own thanks to you being a mighty awesome programmer. And we're going to move on to the next video where we make things even better with the final statement of this unit. And Kyle out.